Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. The warrior of the mind. Your greatest battle is not with the world outside, it's with the world inside. The mind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Today, I will tell you the story of a man who lost everything until he discovered the secret of mind control. His journey will teach you how to master your thoughts, overcome fear, and rise stronger than ever. Ravi, a young man full of dreams. He wanted success, respect, and happiness, but his mind was his biggest obstacle. Negative thoughts controlled him. I'm not good enough. What if I fail? Others are smarter than me. Every time he tried something new, job interviews, small businesses, even relationships, fear and self-doubt paralyzed him. Slowly, he became frustrated, angry and depressed. Ravi realized something painful. He was not losing to the world, he was losing to his own mind. One day, Ravi met an old monk in a park. The monk saw Ravi's frustrations and asked, "Why do you look so defeated, son?" Ravi poured out his pain, how fear, anger, and doubt controlled him. Your mind is like a wild horse. If you let it run freely, it will throw you down. But if you train it, it will carry you anywhere you wish to go. Ravi asked, "But how do I control my mind?" The monk gave him 3 lessons. 1. Control your focus. What you focus on grows. Focus on problems and they multiply. Focus on solutions and they appear. 2. Control your emotions. Pause before reacting. Anger, fear, and sadness are visitors. Don't let them become masters. 3. Control your actions. Discipline your body, and the mind will follow. Small daily habits build mental strength. The monk said, "Master your mind, and you master your life." Ravi decided to change. He woke early, meditated, and practiced gratitude. Whenever negative thoughts came, he replaced them with positive affirmations. At first, it felt fake. His mind resisted, whispered, "You will never change." But Ravi remembered the monk's words. Control is not one big victory, it's small wins every day. Slowly he improved. He stopped complaining and started planning. He stopped comparing himself to others and focused on his own path. He controlled anger by breathing deeply before reacting. He wrote his goals daily and trained his brain to believe in them. Day by day, Ravi became stronger. His mind was no longer his enemy, it became his greatest weapon. Months later, Ravi faced his biggest test, a presentation at work that could decide his future. Earlier, he would have panicked and failed. But this time, he closed his eyes, calmed his breath, and whispered, "My mind is my servant, not my master." He delivered the presentation with confidence. His boss was impressed. Colleagues respected him. Soon Ravi earned promotions, built strong relationships, and started living with peace and power. He realized the monk was right. The outer world changes only when the inner world is mastered. Friends, Ravi's story is not just his story. It is yours, it is mine, it is every human's story. The real battlefield is not in offices, schools, or streets. It's inside our minds. If you want success, control your mind. If you want peace, control your emotions. If you want growth, control your actions. Your mind can destroy you or it can build you. The choice is yours. Remember, you are the warrior of your own mind. Train it, master it, and nothing in this world can stop you. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.